Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix camera not working in your Mac operating system. So before starting the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So to solve this problem, go to Launchpad and open Terminal. The text is given in the description of this video. Copy the text and paste it into the terminal. And then close the terminal and open system settings. Then click on privacy and security. Then click on camera and allow the application access to your camera. Thanks for watching the video.